Hey guys, Sandy here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my how to kill a kit with style kit. Now Tuesday morning is still closed, so I couldn't go make a $20 kit for the month. So my friend Christina and I were chatting and we thought it would be an awesome idea if we both started with the same basic items and then built our kits accordingly. So we decided to start with Capture Life by Allison Creft for Echo Park. This is an older kit. It was made in 2014. Now this is the third. I've bought this kit 3 times, 2 in color and 1 in black and white. So let me show you what I have left. And this is the start of my kit. So we have this kind of Viewmaster black and white paper. The other side is this black and white music note. Then we have All You Need Is Love on one side and then a cut apart sheet on the other. Then we have this bokeh paper, and then on the other side a nice damask pattern. We have a plaid, and on the other side some fun chevrons. Then we have a black and white musical notes on the reverse of that one, and then some bokeh on that side. We have some triangles and then cut aparts on this side. Then we have this, which is kind of a almost an ombre, and then another bokeh on this side. Lots of bokeh. And then we have this yellow kind of square and triangle pattern, depending upon you look at it, and then some more cut aparts on this side. I also have 2 sticker sheets. One is the alphabet sticker sheet with some labels and things, and then one is the element sticker sheet. So I have those, and I felt like this collection has lots of bright, fun colors, but it also has lots of black and white. So the first thing I did was add to it this black and white camera paper. It is a Recollections paper. Obviously, I got it on clearance for 19 cents. What? So we have that. And then I went and pulled even more paper. Since this does feel like it has a lot of black and white, I pulled this black and white chevron. And then I went ahead and pulled this rainbow, kind of pale rainbow paper. I also pulled this Halloween paper, but totally think this could work and not be Halloween. I had this sheet of paper right here, which is some colorful scribbles, and then I have this paper right here with the hearts. I figured I could cut this into banners or all kinds of fun things with that. So those papers. And then I also pulled some toner sheets out. These are coffee rings, so they're kind of like messy circles. I pulled those out. I didn't pull out my foils because they live right there, so I didn't feel the need to pull those out. I did feel the need to pull out a bunch of alphabets. I like this one from Pink Fresh that's got lots of color options on it. I also pulled this old Thickers one. This is old from 2009. And then I have these black Thickers as well. Apparently I bought it twice and started using out of both, so we have those. I also grabbed some close to my heart compliments, and these are Good Life. So lots of bright, fun colors that I figured would go with the papers. And then I pulled some more stickers and things. I have these colorful thickers from Vicki Boutin. This is the second time I purchased it. I have these Good Life. These are from a Paige Evans collection. And then I have these Vicki Boutin flat stickers. I'd like to wrap this up with this kit and be able to get rid of those. I have some Vicki Boutin puffies and then some more flat stickers here. I also decided to pull out these Cosmo Cricut blackboards. They've never been used. It's Think chipboard without ugly gray edges, which I think is hilarious. Lots of different fun options in there. I pulled some crepe paper labels. I also have some black labels. I pulled 2 Love from Lizzie peel-offs, one in this yellow kind of rickrack and one in a black straight. I also have 2 packages of sequins. One is Belle's Ball, and then the other one was created for the Creative Cuts Club, but I figured that those colors would match. I also grabbed these decorative brads from Imagine That. I felt like there was enough of these in here that I could just grab the whole thing. Some enamel dots from Bo Bunny and Ellie Studio. I mean, this kit's getting a little bit ridiculous, guys. Like, seriously. I also grabbed some different tapes. So we have the stripe, a little arrow, polka dots, black and white hearts, a pink diagonal, and then this glitter, because hello, you always need glitter. Or I feel like I always need glitter. And then I pulled some mixed media stuff too. So I pulled 2 different glitters. I have Mermaid Scale Glitter Glaze, and then I have Nouveau Glitter Glimmer Paste in Esmeralda Green. And then I pulled out Chroma Glazes in Pastel Yellow, Pearl, Sapphire, and Teal. I didn't pull stencils or anything like that because my kit was getting a little bit ridiculous. But here it is. This is my How to Kill a Kit with Style. I definitely have a lot of stuff in here, so I need to make some layouts. I will see you guys again real soon for another video.